Adding numbers automatically to a column in Excel can be done in different ways, using the row function or the fill feature. Numbering rows dynamically. Click the cell where the series of numbers will begin. Type equals sign row and cell number. Press Enter. The cell will now display its row number. To start with 1, no matter which row you want to begin your series of numbers, count the number of rows above your current cell, then subtract that number from your formula. Select the cell containing the first number in the series. Hover the cursor over the box at the bottom right corner of the selected cell. Drag the fill handle down to the final cell in your series. Filling a column with continuous numbers. Type the first number of your series into the cell. Type the second and third number of the series to create the pattern. Highlight cells. Hover the cursor over the box at the bottom right corner of the selected cell. Drag the fill handle down to the final cell in your series. Once you release the mouse button, the cells in the column will be numbered according to the pattern you established in the first 3 cells. Another way is typing a character following a number. Hover the cursor over the box at the bottom right corner of the selected cell. Double-click and it will be filled automatically.
If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.